Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Your girl is back with another amazing recipe you are going to love. Today's video, I'm going to be making catfish pepper soup. If this video is interesting to you, keep watching. So these are all the ingredients that is needed for this amazing recipe. So guys, I have here with me catfish. I have my spices, my pepper soup spice, one of the most important ingredients in this recipe today. I have plantain. You can also use yam. You can use agidi. You can also enjoy it with rice. And I also have my red pepper. I also have these special ingredients I made for myself. It contains garlic, ginger, spring onions, and thyme. I have a video about it. I'm going to be leaving it in the description box of this video and also at the top of this video. Watch it, you are going to like it. Next, I have my crayfish. I have my onions. I also have maggi and salt. I have fresh pepper as well. May not be like saying only dry pepper they use. So I also have fresh OTAZI leaf. So all these ingredients you are seeing here is what I'm going to use to make this catfish a delicious pepper soup. So guys, next I'm going to be adding the fish in the pot, and then I'm going to be adding my blended TATASHI as well. Then after adding it, I'm going to add a little bit of water because I want this pepper soup make it get water well. Give it a little bit of stir, and then I'm going to be adding my onions on it. So guys, next I'm adding onions, and then I'm going to be adding my mixed garlic, ginger, spring onions. I'm going to be adding my maggi and salt. Cover it to steam for about 5 to 10 minutes. So guys, this is it after 10 minutes. I'm just going to stir it gently because I don't want it to break. I'm going to be adding my crayfish, and then I'm going to be adding the main ingredients, which is the pepper soup spice. I'm just going to give it a little bit of stir gently because I don't want this fish to pieces in the pot. You know, once it's being cooked, it's really soft. Any little thing will scatter the fish inside the pot. So guys, catfish pepper soup is one of the most expensive pepper soup you will find in Nigeria restaurants. And Nigerian people really love pepper soup. Once I'm done stirring it, I'm going to add my plantain inside and then cover it to steam for another 10 minutes. We're not going to cook it for too long because we don't want the plantain to be too soft in the pot. So next, I'm just going to cover it to steam for another 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, this is how it looks. It really came out nice. Without you even testing this pepper soup, you can tell that this pepper soup is one of a kind. So if you're looking for something to serve your guests this festive period, you're wondering for what you're going to serve your guests, I am recommending this catfish pepper soup. After they finish chop like this, omo, they will never forget you in a hurry. This 2023 December will be the one they will never forget. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Let me know what you think about this recipe in the comment section. If you're new to my platform, you love my videos, subscribe. Let's become one big family, okay? See you on my next one. Bye.